Found LRZ files alongside Lzip archives and curious about their purpose? These are recovery data files for Lzip compressed archives. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these Lzip recover data files protect your compressed archives from corruption. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the LRZ format, but we'll attack the top issues first. Users encounter LRZ files when attempting to repair a corrupted Lzip compressed archive. The file is generated by the lziprecover utility and contains the recovered data, which can then be decompressed. The primary user intent is data recovery after a file transfer error or storage medium failure. The LRZ file is a binary data stream containing the salvageable portions of a damaged Lzip archive. The lziprecover tool scans the corrupted file for valid Lzip member headers and trailers, extracting and concatenating all recoverable data blocks into this new file, designed for maximum data retrieval. Your first application to test with LRZ should be lziprecover from Antonio Diaz. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows doesn't load backup snapshots, so specialized software must restore or browse the data. The first action is to find a compatible app. Right-click your LRZ file and click Open With. Test lziprecover if available. If it is unavailable, choose another program. We need to find the specific decoder. If the LRZ file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, repairing with lziprecover. Use the lziprecover utility from gnu.org software lzip to repair damaged Lzip archives using LRZ recovery data. Run lziprecover mo repair.lzdamage.lz to attempt repair. The tool uses any available LRZ files or even partial copies of the archive to reconstruct missing or corrupted data sections automatically. Next, creating recovery files. Generate LRZ recovery files for your important Lzip archives using lziprecover, merge, or by creating multiple copies. While Lzip itself doesn't generate separate recovery files, lziprecover can compare and reconstruct from multiple damaged copies, effectively providing recovery functionality through redundant storage of compressed data. Finally, verifying archive integrity. Use lzip test command to verify Lzip archive integrity before relying on the data. Run lzip tvv archive.lz to perform thorough integrity checking with detailed output. Regular integrity verification combined with recovery files provides comprehensive protection against bit rot and storage media degradation for archived data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.